to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Well, go on.
As you guys know, today is the day for the She's Hot contest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sponsored by none other than Playboy International. Black King Sebastian, Dr. Ross and I, and the co-host studio audience, all of us have picked our winner for the She's Hot contest. Will you unveil it for me, Dr. Ross?
So the winner for today is none other than beautiful, magnificent, gorgeous Halle Berry.
She's millionairest. She is a quiet scandal, but she is very scandalous.
Exactly.
So, Miss Halle Berry,
Oscar winner too, and model.
That's right. You may know her from the John Wick films, but congratulations on your win, Miss Halle Berry.
You do realize that I'm management now, right? I'm not service anymore, John, so I don't go around shooting people in the head.
53-year-old bombshell. Did it for two. That's for you, Miss Halle Berry. Let's go out. Me and you. Dinner for two. Let's get straight into our hot topics for today. Lay it on me, Dr. Ross.
So Draya Michele has real horsepower between her legs for a surprise, iconic magazine shoot.
Premiere channel. Yeah.
Let me.
Apparently the magazine is saying she may not know about classic motorcycles, but she sure does look good. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Most likely, Dr. Ross, she's not going to know about motorcycles. Her thing is most likely probably cars, luxury cars. And Miss Draya Michele,
And twerking.
Here you go, back with them pajamas.
Hey.
And why are we doing this?
Because I don't got a hangover. Whoop whoop.
that's right, Dr. Ross. You might even be the next She's Hot winner because you have the scandal, you have the millions, but the neck needs to be shortened. But if you get that down, you may be the next winner, Miss Michelle. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So Brian Austin Green is thrilled to have his kids with him as Megan Fox having a blast with Machine Gun Kelly in Puerto Rico.
And first of all, Dr. Ross,
Try!
Austin Green, you're a goddamn liar.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Mr. Green, first of all, you're a lackluster husband. You're a lackluster lover, and you're probably not good in the bed as well. So, for Megan Fox to run away with the long neck, obviously, you failed as a husband. Now, for everyone who's trying to sugarcoat it, your mom, your friends, the people in the public, Mr. Green, stop letting the people sugarcoat it. With you being at the home with all of the kids, having the applesauce and the diapers, and she's running around, Megan Fox, running with the long neck, you already know you messed up.
And you already know Brian Austin Green, while they're telling you all that sweet stuff and saying, Brian, stay up, it's okay, she's just a hoe. You know, they're actually laughing behind your back when you leave the house, calling you a sucker. You know what? This reminds us exactly of what happened to Brad Pitt when we told Brad Pitt since episode 1 of Rose and Gold started the Rose and Gold channel. But he didn't even listen to us when we tried to give him advice, and now he's hollering around saying, Angelina, please, I'm sorry, even though she's the one kicking him in the stomach.
Kevin, watch the light, dude.
Brian, contact myself, Black King. I'll hook you up. You already know the deal. Let's get on to our next hot topic.
So, Rob Kardashian posts a snap of his 3-year-old daughter, Dream, dazzling with a toothy smile on Instagram. First of all, aren't you still in court for custody over that child with Blac Chyna? Moving on. So when everyone was talking about Kylie Jenner and how she has horrible restaurant awareness and restaurant appreciation for the staff, they just wanted to say that Beyonce's treatment of restaurant staff proves she's just as amazing as fans expect her to be. They said she has she gives a large tip, and she's extremely nice, extremely appreciative of restaurant staff. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Miss Beyonce, I am glad that you are going out there and you're actually appreciating the service.
Exactly.
I'm not saying that Miss Jenner doesn't appreciate the service. It's just that you now have money etiquette. So that's one step up from Kylie Jenner that I can give you, Miss Beyonce.
Both billionaires.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Keep doing you and stay groovy. That's for you, for Miss Beyonce. And speaking about Kylie Jenner, Dr. Ross, they are now allegedly saying that she might have been at the same party that Megan Thee Stallion got allegedly thrown off a roof or beat up in.
Madness was going on. An SUV had just taken off. Apparently, Tory Lanez was arguing with somebody, and Megan Thee Stallion was cut. She had a cut on her foot. She was taken to the hospital. They ended up searching Tory Lanez's vehicle, and he was actually taken to jail and booked for carrying a concealed weapon inside of his vehicle.
Well, you know there was a lot of celebrities there because Megan Thee Stallion was saying that she was going to be inviting tons of celebrities, and you already know in the circle of their friends of friends of friends, we're not going to name exactly who, but you know Travis Scott is probably a friend of one of them, and Kylie Jenner is his girlfriend, so she obviously probably got invited. But as of now, Megan Thee Stallion has not said anything about her hospitalization after she's been hospitalized. So we're going to move off that hot topic. For our last hot topic, Joe Giudice. So he has something to say about his daughter's nose job. All he has to say, because Gia Giudice went on Instagram saying that she has been really swollen since her nose job. Her dad recently talked out and said, whatever makes her happy.
Whoa, what?
What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Dr. Ross, first of all, you know that Joe, he is angry right now. He probably just broke the 50th TV.
Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.
Obviously, he's mad by him saying that those words right there are the specific words saying that he is mad. He is angry right now.
Exactly. He saw your mama Teresa in the photo with you smiling like a chess cat, and he just said, God damn it!
Ooh, that make me so mad. I'm gonna fly to Antarctica and shoot a penguin. They're so stupid.
And he broke the screen.
Most likely when he sees Gia now, all he thinks of is Teresa. And he probably breaks another TV. But Joe, if you're trying to do WWE and wrestling like we said last time, at least try to get the guy who's going out with Teresa,
Exactly.
Not random people.
You never fought her ex.
Whoa, what?
That's right. He's never proposed a fight combatant.
Because he's deported in Italy. But
That's right.
That was all of our hot topics for today. Close it off for us, Black King Sebastian.
That's for you, Kylie Jenner. Make sure to stay tuned for our Teespring merch, which will be coming out soon. I'll put the merch right here and right here, as well as our new rose and gold hat that we will be selling as well right here.
Doing the people. Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
And remember, everyone, stay tuned for the Jamaican clothing line, the reggae jeans, the shirts, and the hats. Stay tuned for that, as well as the Jamaican shoes and the Jamaican hair shampoo and gel.
But as always, we want to say congratulations to our She's Hot winner. Once again, we're going to say it again. It is Holly Berry. This award will be given to Holly Berry and as of the next winner of the next week. So keep voting. Keep staying posted. Thank you for stopping by. We're out.
We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Money